Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how you will convert if Lagrangian is given and it has been asked for Hamiltonian of the system. If Hamiltonian is asked and Lagrangian is given, so how you will convert your system? We have one connecting relation, that is H is your which are generalized coordinates here? R and theta. So 2 times we will write that expression, r dot pr plus theta dot p theta. Okay, minus please take care of this minus sign. Many times it always left in the exam. Half m r dot square plus r square theta dot square plus half k r square. This, but in the Hamiltonian, dot terms are not allowed. These dot terms are not allowed. So you have to eliminate dot terms. Means you are going to differentiate with dot terms. And this, you know already what is this expression represents. This represents PR and this represents P theta. So curly L upon curly R dot will be your mr dot is your PR. So R dot will become PR upon M. जिसे एलिमिनेट करना है उसी की रिस्पेक्ट में डिफ्रेंशिएट करना है और उसी को आइसोलेट कर कर आपको देखना है कि वेदर दे आर डिजायरेबल कोऑर्डिनेट. अगर हम R डॉट की जगह पे PR पुट करते हैं, सो इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम इन हैमिल्टोनियन? नो, दैट इज अलाउड. एंड इफ देयर इज समथिंग लाइक थीटा डॉट समथिंग यहाँ होता तो आपको देन यू हैव टू अगेन रिप्लेस बिकॉज थीटा डॉट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अलाउड. कर्ली एल अपॉन कर्ली थीटा डॉट वट विल कम एम आर स्क्वेयर थीटा डॉट इज योर पी थीटा एंड थीटा डॉट विल कम पी थीटा अपॉन एम आर स्क्वेयर. नाउ ऑल्सो all are desirable coordinates. P theta is also allowed, R and M, no problem is here. Simply now substituting in your H and going to simplify as in previous example we did. It will become PR square upon M plus P theta square upon MR square minus half M PR square upon M square plus R square P theta square upon M square R4 plus half K R square. Simplifying more, cancelling the terms, you will find a final expression will be your PR square upon 2M plus P theta square upon 2M R square plus half K R square. You can match your answer yourself. Now this Hamiltonian is in desirable coordinates. PR is allowed, P theta is allowed, R or theta is allowed. But you can see carefully here theta is not present. Itself theta is absent, means theta is cyclic coordinate here. And in Lagrangian also you can observe cyclic coordinate never changes. If it is in Lagrangian, then it will also be in Hamiltonian. And if theta is your cyclic coordinate, then P theta will be your constant. So your second part was conservation of momentum discuss करना था. So your P theta means momentum, your angular momentum will be constant for this system. Okay, and for conservation of energy, what we have to check? We have to check curly H upon curly T. Curly H upon curly T is 0 here. You can see there is no time expression. There is no time term. So this means energy is also conserved. Energy is conserved of the system, or H can be written as T plus V. Hamiltonian can be written as T plus V. And for discuss equation of motion, you will use your relation curly H upon curly r is equal to minus PR dot. You have your Hamiltonian, curly h upon curly r. You can solve for this. Minus p theta square upon mr cube plus kr is equal to minus PR dot. First equation of motion, curly h upon curly PR is equal to r dot. Then you will find PR upon m is equal to r dot, or you can say PR is equal to mr dot. I solved for r generalized coordinate. You can yourself solve for theta. So I think it was as best example to make your concept clear about Hamiltonian. Practice this question again and again, and I hope you understand something, and thank you very much.